Come on! The only... If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What's going on, guys? Apple World here. So right in front of us, we have the brand new 2018 MacBook Air in gold. Now, why did I get this? Well, let's go ahead and first start unboxing the MacBook Air. We have this tab right here. Beautiful. Yeah, so basically, I have my iMac, which works perfectly fine. I mean, I can't complain about my iMac. It's spec'd up. It works perfectly fine. But then, for example, I go to my weekend. Every single weekend, I go to my summer house. And I just can't edit video on my iPad. I just can't. And I waste too much time. And I have my 12-inch MacBook right here. This is my 12-inch MacBook. Which just doesn't really work for video editing. It's just too laggy. So I've heard that with the MacBook Air, of course, I'm not getting a beast of a computer, but it does its job fairly well. And that's exactly what I want. I simply want a light, portable, beautiful gold MacBook that I can just edit whenever I really have to. And for school, the iPad is great, but the only problem with having an iPad in school... Come on, buddy. The only problem with having... Come on! So as I was saying, the iPad Pro works perfectly fine for me in school, but there's just, since I'm studying design, there's so many programs that are just not available on the iPad that I need on the Mac, and since my 12-inch MacBook just sucks, by the way, I actually sold my MacBook officially for a price that I'm kind of happy about, so I just have to put a little money towards this. And wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what else we get on the box. Is that a gold Apple sticker? I think so. It came on the 12-inch MacBook. We get USB-C, of course, and we get a power brick. And that's it. Wow, a pretty simple unboxing, to not say the least. Let's go ahead and put that on the floor. And yes, we do get Apple stickers. Let's go ahead and see them. Give them to me, Apple, and here they are. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I mean, I never know what to do with my Apple stickers. I should do a video on like what to do with your Apple stickers. I'm sure it'd get a bunch of views. By the way, this paper is so nice. Do we get anything else? Instructions, warranty, all that boring stuff. Apple, no, my dog is trying to bite my Apple. Come here. Hi, Apple, you want to say hi? You want to say hello to the fam? Oh my gosh. This is actually much heavier than the 12-inch MacBook. I mean, I can definitely notice the difference. I mean, if you want a really portable laptop, the 12-inch MacBook will do great. I mean, if you just do email, basic stuff, if you don't do video editing, photo editing, the 12-inch MacBook is an amazing computer. And I did a bunch of graphic design work on this, but if I try to video edit, I mean, I can't edit with 1080p video on it, but then if I start color grading and all the stuff that I want to do on the channel especially, I just can't do it. And by the way, here's the new gold color. By the way, this looks really rose gold now in front of this lighting. So yeah, there's the color difference. By the way, I'm going to do a comparison between the 12-inch MacBook and the MacBook Air. Which one is more worth it to get? And by the way, the MacBook Air has gotten a lot of hate. Because, of course, it's not the fastest, and by the price that you're paying for the MacBook Air, you could buy a MacBook Pro. But I wanted the gold, I wanted a light computer. This computer is fast enough for me. I'm not going to do a lot of heavy work on this. I'm just going to do it sometimes. You know, I have my iMac. That's for my heavy work. So, maybe some light. Well, I forgot about this guy. And there we go. Wow, that's so cool. It actually turns on automatically. This feels nice. It's much larger. The speakers looks nice. Touch ID. We also get the 3rd generation Butterfly keyboard. This feels good. Like on the 12-inch MacBook, the keys were just so bad. I mean, just listen to the keys. There's a big difference. This one's actually a little bit louder, which I don't know how I feel about. I have to choose a language. Let me set it up and come back in just a second. So this MacBook Air actually has Touch ID, so it's actually asking me to set up. So let's go ahead and set up Touch ID. I've never actually owned a MacBook with Touch ID, which is pretty cool. I feel like Apple should have added Face ID on the MacBook, Air. I feel like it's something that they're probably going to add on the new MacBook Pro. So anyways, this MacBook Air actually has 4 million pixels, which is crazy. Of course, it's not as good as the MacBook Pro, but for me, for now, I have my iMac, which is a beast. So for me to go, it's pretty good as well. It has the T2 chip, which allows for Hey support. So, you know, Hello Siri support. So that's pretty cool as well. We got Touch ID and Apple Play. We got the 3rd generation Butterfly keyboard, which is really cool. We got a Force Touch trackpad. We got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, which is pretty cool. And we also, of course, get USB-C support. And I feel like the coolest thing about this computer is this guy. Just how it's made. It's made out of 100% recycled aluminum. That is crazy. I mean, 100% recycled aluminum. I mean, Apple, congratulations. That's amazing. Now it's asking you to choose your look, whether it's the light side or the dark side. I am definitely going... with the dark side, of course. I can't really see with this helmet. Alright, let's press continue. And setting up your Mac. That's amazing. We're almost done, baby. Come on, Darth Vader's waiting for me, for goodness sake. Oh gosh. Where is it? Where's the button? Hey, John, I'm still setting up the Mac. Can you wait for me on the Death Star? Alright, cool. I'm just setting it up, okay? Cool, thank you. Come on. Gosh. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, it's finally done. Okay, get the heck out. Wow, it's so hot in there. Okay, so here we have the new display. Of course, I've seen it at the Apple Store, but I've never actually seen it in person. That looks good. Is that in max brightness? Okay, so the screen is definitely much dimmer than the MacBook Pro, but it's definitely much brighter than my 12-inch MacBook. So I like it. Let's go ahead and test out the speakers. So it doesn't sound bad. Okay, so it's definitely a huge upgrade from me from the 12-inch MacBook. I've heard my other friends' MacBook Pros and the speakers don't sound as good. This one's definitely a little bit lower than the MacBook Pro, but of course it's a little bit more affordable. So I'm happy overall. I'm of course going to review this guy. I'm of course going to do my first 24-hour impressions video. I'm honestly super happy that Apple season is over. I mean, we had the iPhone XS, the iPhone XR, the Apple Watch Series 4. We got the new iPad Pro. We had the new Apple Pencil and the Smart Keyboard as well. Wow. I mean, I'm glad Apple season is over. I mean, I've spent so much money, of course, because you guys want to see these videos. So this is the last product I had to purchase. So, shut up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Your thoughts on the MacBook Air. What do you guys think of it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it just to buy the MacBook Pro, or should I have stuck with the 12-inch MacBook? Let me know your thoughts. I really wanted this. I'm of course going to install Final Cut Pro in this guy and see how it actually runs. I've heard that it doesn't do amazing, as I said, but of course it does its job. So I didn't want it to do amazing. I didn't want it to spend too much money on a MacBook Pro. So, and of course you guys wanted to see this unboxing and you guys wanted to see the review and the 24 hours video. So yeah, by the way, I'm gonna link all the videos of all the unboxings and all the reviews that I've done in the Apple season. It's been a crazy season. It's been a crazy season. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go to the Death Star now because Darth Vader is freaking waiting for me. So yeah, if you guys want to help support the channel, and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts.